Think about the Snagit capture profiles as a recipe for image captures. By telling Snagit to save ingredients like image styles, file format, and share location in a capture profile, you can save time and make your work easier. Snagit includes some basic profiles for you, or you can create your own. Let's start by looking at the ones that come ready to use. Image, video, and text. Simply tell Snagit that you want to capture a basic image, video, or text, and open it in the Snagit editor for further editing. The time-saving profiles are intended to make your work easier right out of the box. For example, the Share via Screencast.com profile lets you capture and send a file directly to Screencast. This is useful if you don't intend to edit your image or if you're using video capture. The grayscale and reduce to 50% profile is an example of the automatic editing that can be done. By selecting this profile, any image you take will automatically be reduced in size by 50% and changed to grayscale. If you've upgraded from earlier versions of Snagit, you'll see that we've brought your profile to the new version for you. So if there's something you've been using regularly, you don't have to worry about losing it in the upgrade process. Let's try out the installed profiles before we talk about how to create new ones. Select grayscale and reduce to 50%, then click the capture button and capture an image. As you can see, the image you captured has been reduced in size by 50% and is now in black and white. Let's make our own. I often need to add screenshots to my presentations, which can be a long process. Let's make a profile to streamline it, saving some time. Click the wizard button and decide what you want to capture. Profiles can be as complex or as simple as you choose. Here, I'll select image, then all in one. Due to ease of use, this is the profile you should almost always choose for image capture. Experiment a bit with other captures to see what you prefer. Let's have this send captures directly to Microsoft PowerPoint, since this is usually the most time-consuming part of creating my presentations. I also don't want the editor to open every time. So here, I'll remove the preview and editor option. This means my captures will go right into PowerPoint with no middle step in between. Select each option to get a description of what it does. Don't be afraid to play around a bit here while you figure things out. I think drop shadows look good in PowerPoint, so I'll have this profile put one on my capture. I can even customize exactly how I want the drop shadow to look. The final step is to give a descriptive name to this profile, so I know what it is when I go to use it. Snagit has suggested I call it all-in-one PowerPoint. This works for me, but you may want to add another descriptive word at the end or add it to a group for sorting purposes. Here, I'll add demo at the end, so I remember I created this while I was making this demo tutorial. Believe me, you'll find the clear descriptive naming helpful later. If you're a hotkey user, set a custom hotkey here, and it will be assigned to always use this capture profile. As you use Snagit, if you find there's a particular image style you use frequently, create a profile. It saves time and makes Snagit do the work for you. What do you think? Come tell us at feedback.techsmith.com.